Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be discussing on how to get the total salary paid per department. Let's say I'm having employee table wherein I'm having a department and a salary. So I want the total salary for each department. Let's see how to achieve it. Okay. So here first new query, and I want all my videos to be in this Isha BNS database. So here you can see we have only two tables, numbers and viewership. So there is no employee table. Let me create one. Like for creating syntax, it will be like create a table and a table name. Let's say table name will be employees, and here I'll be giving the column names. I want employee ID as an integer data type, and next will be the name of the employee. There should be varchar, and next will be let me say department we are having now. So let me give it as a department. So DEPT department, and for this one also I want the varchar as my data type. Okay, next it will be salary column, SALARY salary. Okay, let me delete it. Okay, now capital SALARY salary, and this will also be an integer. Let me copy the query and click on execute. Once I click on execute, so it will automatically create my table. Here you can see command completed successfully, so it should reflect in my database, that is Isha BNS database. Under the database we'll be having tables now. So in that particular tables, along with viewership and some other table is there now. So along with that we should have this employee table. Okay, let me copy this. Just check what will be there in the table. So we have created only the table now. Mostly there will be no data. We will be having only the column names. That's it. So here you can see, once we execute this, it is showing the table details. Okay, so for inserting the data, the syntax will be like insert into table name. We have to give, let me give it as employees, and then we have to pass the values. Okay, here the values will be first one, column name is employee ID. I'll give it as one, and the name will be, I'll give my name, Isha, and department it will be HR department, and the salary will be, let's say, 5,000, close brackets, comma. And instead of hard coding, I'll just try to copy and paste, and then just edit it. Okay, I've copied it. Now here I'll just edit the names first. Second will be Nat, third will be Luck, and fourth will be let's say Sushant. Okay, and then here comes the employee ID. Let me give 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and I want the two departments only, let's say HR and IT department. Okay, so first I'll just give it as an alternative, after HR IT, and after HR again IT. Okay, here the salary is 6,005 4500 and 5500. I'll just give it, and at the last I'm having comma. I'll just remove it and I'll give semicolon. And then I'll just copy the query and click on execute. Once I click on execute, here you can see 4 rows got added. Let me query it. Okay, when I click execute select star from table, so I'm just getting the column names along with the data also just now which we have inserted. So now we have the input table. Let's say we have the data ready. So here I want the total salary based on the department. So how to achieve it? For that, we'll just write a query like select department. Based on the department only we need total salary now. So that is why we are giving it as sum of salary. Which column we need? Sum of the salary based on the department. Let me give it as sum of salary as total employee or total salary. Let me give it as total salary. So because the complete salary for department now, so I'll just give it as a total salary. From which table? It will be employees. So employee table. Here I'm just grouping it by department over here. So that is why I'm passing a group by clause, and I'm giving the column name as department. Okay, here is my query. Let me execute it. So you can see department and total salary we have got. Let me copy the select star from also, it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, paste it over here. I'll just copy both the queries, execute parallelly. So you'll get the result here, the table details and the query based on the department. Okay, here HR 5,000 4,500. It will be like 9,500, right? So here in the result you can see HR is 9,500. IT 6,5500. Okay, here the value is like 11,500. So in this way we can achieve the total salary grouping by the department. So uh, if you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and like and share my channel. Yeah, thank you all. Bye.